Hello, my name is Wakesho. I would like to show you today how to make millet with a rice or multi-cooker. For today we're using just 1 cup of millet. First of all, you place the millet inside the cup until the brim. So you place the millet inside and then you need to wash it. Once is enough. Cold water is enough, so just once. And then you sieve the water out. And since the millet is wet, we will use 1.5 cups of water. So 1 and a half. Cooker. First of all, ensure that the pot is dry. Extra that there's no water which is maybe around the pot. Then you place it inside the multi-cooker, and after that you close the lid. After this, you put on the cooker, and then using this button you push downwards, and it's now cooking. It's red, and after some minutes we'll be able to push it up so that it can cook while with just the warmth. See that the steam is coming out. We can change now to warm mode so that we can save energy. Now you can see here it's orange. Then it will cook until it's ready. Approximately 15 minutes, the food is ready. First you switch off the power supply, and then we can open to see how it is. And you press up here, and you can see now that the food is ready. And yeah, enjoy the meal.